Welcome back to another awesome tutorial with me, Ken Bessa. Today I wanted to show you how to back up your WordPress website because the internet can sometimes be very unpredictable and merciless. A web host basically provides you with computers where your website is stored. Anything can happen to those computers over there. So it's always important to have a copy of your website on your local machine. And that's what we're doing today. And we'll be using a very cool plugin that I came across last year. So without wasting any more time, let's go to the plugins repository. Let's go hover over plugins and say add new. We'll be redirected to the add new page. So this is the WordPress plugins repository. All the plugins that are available for you to download on WordPress are right here, and you can search for any plugin you want if you know its name. And for this case and in our context, we already know the plugin we want to use. It's called WPVivid. WPVivid. So you'll notice that it has this blue icon right here with these two arrows, and it's by WPVivid. There are many other solutions on WordPress for backing up your website, but this is the one I like, and I'll show you why. So let's go ahead and install this one. Install now. Very good. Let's activate it. And just like that, we're redirected to the settings page of the plugin. There we have it. Now within WordPress, this is what it looks like. So you have all these options. I'll not go into all the details on this plugin because it has tons of cool, amazing features. I already created a tutorial that tells you much more about how to use all these features, and I'll leave a link below in the description. Be sure to check it out. So today what we're doing is simply backing up your website to your machine. Alright? And how to do that is, first of all, under this tab, backup and restore, we have a couple of options right here on what we want to back up. We can back up the database and files. We can back up the WordPress files alone without the database. We can back up the database alone without the files. So what these two mean is, if we say save backups to local, that means we'll save it within our hosting plan where the website is hosted. If we send the backup to a remote storage, we could choose another storage space where it's going to be saved. That could be Dropbox, could be Google Drive, you could use FTP, and any other space you might have somewhere. So what we want to say is save backups to local, and we want to save the database plus the files because we want to save everything, the complete website. With those two selected, go ahead and say backup now. So you'll see a progress bar right here. And of course, the backup process duration will depend on how big your website is. For bigger websites, of course, the process will take longer. For brand new websites that don't have much stuff, it'll take just a few minutes. As you can see, my website is not that big. It's only 418 MB, and these files are going to be compressed. So once the backup process is complete, this is what you'll find at the bottom of the plugin right here. You'll see this section that says backups. This is where you have a list of all the backups you've done. Maybe if you backed up the website 3 times this week, you'll have a list of all those backups right here. And just in case you want to upload a backup from your local machine, you can just always click upload, then you can select the file. So let's go back to backups. So under the tab backups, we have the backup we just created. We have the option to download it. So let's go ahead and click download. And we have the website broken up into 3 downloadable files. just to make the process of downloading it easier. So let's go ahead and download the 3 of them. That's the first one. Let's click the second one, and let's click the third one so we can download them simultaneously. So that's just about enough of what I had for you today. My name is Ken Bessa. It's always a pleasure serving you and creating such tutorials. If you like this video, go ahead and hit subscribe and click the bell button so you can get notified anytime we have something brand new on the channel. Until next time, peace.